I want to show you how to replace the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth module from Intel, or if you want the DW Broadcom DW1820A or DW1560 for macOS, like Catalina or Big Sur, on this Dell Inspiron 3668, the budget desktop. So the Ethernet on this one is working already, so all I need is I'm going to install a cheap Intel Bluetooth and Wi-Fi module on this. So the first thing we need to do is to remove these two screws. So after removing the screw, we can just remove this one out of the way, pull it out, and now we can see the inside. But in order to open this, we need to remove this and this, and then remove the front plate. So when the front plate is removed, we can just pull this out like that, and we can access the inside. So now you see right here the module, and we need to remove this screw, and this is a tiny small one, half size, and this is Qualcomm, and the Qualcomm doesn't work with Big Sur, only work with Catalina. Okay, so I want to replace with this one, which is the Intel 7265. So this is the one I had from the replacing the laptop before. So we need to notice the antenna. The white one is from the right, and the black one is on the left. So the white one always the main, and the black one is auxiliary. Okay, so we're going to unscrew this one, and it has the cover, the plastic cover. It's good to use the magnetic tip. And now we can remove it and remove the antenna. Okay, so after the screw is removed, and we can just lift it up and take it out. And this one is Qualcomm. Okay, so this is a new module. It's bigger. So we just slide it in here. Okay, so the best is to put in the antenna first. It's easier. Then we can put it back in place. Okay, so the plastic is actually to try to hold the antenna in place so it won't fall out. But if we snap it in good, it won't fall out anyhow. Okay, so to put back the cover, there's 3 hooks. Then we hook them back in, and then let's snap them. Alright, and then put back the side. So if any of you wonder what this one is actually, before I was going to put the external graphic card that needs the external power supply to drive it, so I don't use it for this purpose. So this one is just we're going to use the HDMI or the VGA. So you need to go to the Open Intel Wireless ITL
WM GitHub, and you can go to the v1.20 stable to download the Big Sur kext and also Catalina or High Sierra or Mojave. We install the Intel AC7265. We have Wi-Fi and the Ethernet is always working. So we have both. So what we need to make sure is that we have EN0 and EN1. So it's Airport Intel. That's the driver that we use. Okay. All right. So that's it. It is for Big Sur to replace the Qualcomm module to get the internet working. And also, this one is Dell Inspiron. It's i5 7400 KB Lake. The graphic display on this one is graphics 630. So